Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy S8, S9, S10, even the Plus versions, and you're trying to do a factory reset. And in order to do a factory reset, and supposedly you forgot your PIN or your swipe code or your passcode, okay? Now, in order to do a factory reset, you technically have to turn off your phone, okay? The thing is, I forgot my password, so when I try to turn off my phone here, power off here, it's still asking me for my PIN. So how do you bypass this? So I'm going to show you how to bypass this. Now, for those of you that don't need a password to shut off your phone, the only thing you got to do is turn your phone off, and then once it's off, you want to press and hold 3 buttons simultaneously. You want to press and hold the volume up, the Bixby button, and the power button. You want to press and hold these 3 buttons until you get to the recovery menu, okay? Now, for those of you who have the issue where it's asking for a passcode like mine, and I forgot mine, we got to do something else. What we have to do first is a force restart, and then we got to go ahead and push those 3 buttons, okay? So to do a force restart, you press 2 buttons simultaneously, the volume down and power button. So what we want to do is press the volume down and power button until we think the phone's about to start rebooting. Quickly let go, and then you want to hold the volume up, Bixby button, and the power button, okay? So it may take you like a few tries. Let me see if I can get it on the first try here, okay? So volume down, power button, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. I'm going to wait till I think my phone's about to reboot. Don't worry about the screenshot. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it. I'm going to get ready to go. 3 buttons. Wait. Now. Okay, volume up, Bixby button, power button. Let's see if that worked. I think I took too many times. Don't let go until we get to the recovery menu. I'm still holding on to the 3 buttons here. Oh my goodness, it still worked. Okay, well, there you guys go. So from here, basically what you want to do is you want to use the volume down rocker, and you can go all the way down to, we want to do a factory reset. It's wipe data / factory reset. And to select it, you go ahead and you press on the power button, okay? So press on the power button right there. And now basically this is asking you, are you sure you want to do this? Guys, don't forget, when you do a factory reset, you're going to lose everything on your phone, okay? Your photos, videos, your files, your passwords, everything is going to be long gone as if you bought the phone brand new and took it out of the box, and you got to start all the way back from the beginning on the setup process. So from here, basically what you do is you go ahead and press the volume down button to select yes, and then you go ahead and press the power button to confirm, and then it's going to go ahead and restart, and then it's going to go ahead and start to factory reset everything. You may have to wait like 3, 4, 5 minutes. And then once it boots back up, it's going to be into the setup screen where you got to put your language and all that. Anyways, I hope that helped you guys out. Guys, if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys needed to bypass that password, tell me how many tries it took you, okay? I got lucky. I got it on my first try, and I kind of like screwed it up. Anyways, there you guys go. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.